Yo, yo. Yeah. What's up? This is another beat. This one is by Sonic Boom. Yeah. Just like the first one. It's Spit for Fun. It's called Spit for Fun, and I've heard the beat before. A while ago, and I absolutely adore this instrumental. This is a very nice instrumental, and I think look, let me show you what I mean. I just never think about it. Start now. Let's start. The question is, how am I gonna bang this up when I hear it? Let's see. MBASH Lacoster. Coming at you slow. Ooh, coming at you slow. Ooh, I'm dangerous just like a cobra. MBASH.L is the man that gon' send you to hell. See, can't get hell. MBASH.L's got a spell that is cast on your gal. Yeah, on your gal. She loves me, she wants to be with me. She wants to be with me. I whip her like she's my ride. Yeah, she rides me. Or I ride her. What? I won't understand who ride her. See, I rap her. I'm a motherfucking rapper. And everybody knows that I rap with her. When I rap with her, I grab her ass. And she like that, cause she's like MBASH.L, MBASH.L the man. And then everybody know the man is in demand. And everybody wanna hear a little bit of his backhand. I got the hand, yeah. Sweet like the candy coming down your throat. And everybody know that MBASH.L, ooh, he get the girl and then he deep roll. Yeah, he down deep roll. Then he decapitate. And they hate that who come his way, yeah. Oh, I'm his way, yes, he's heavy await and never await. You have awaited for the king to come, and the king has finally arrived. And everybody knows that a man like him can only come once in a lifetime. Wait, 700,000 fucking years? What? How old's the Bible? I don't freaking know. Yeah, I see. It's a crime to talk about time like that. If you knew that I am the rhyme king. That's the side of my slide, sliding black. That's the sound of the slide. That's the sound of the slide. Yeah, you better hide. Rapper beware. This is a rapper where. Whoa, yes, looking for you. I'm coming to kill you. Look, my lips be chapped and that's cool too. I'm on YouTube, fool you, and everybody know I kick kung fu, boo-hoo, slow. See what I mean? Like, this beat just so beautiful, it just makes you wanna flow, it makes you wanna go for show. Oh, it's inside, it makes you wanna blow. Chucks in your girl, yes you know, yo. You know, yo. Ooh. So I couldn't come aboard a hook, have I? Man, I love this beat. And to be honest, that's all that I can actually master up on this beat. And I think it's a bit long, so I'm definitely gonna let it play when I talk about it, cause maybe I'll be able to jump on it, cause like it's like at 2 minutes, 3 minutes, 5 seconds right now. And then it's kind of like me just timing it so I don't get lost, you know what I mean? But it's the end right now, shit. I'm only like 15 seconds, like 13, 14, 15, MBASH.L, MBASH Lacoster, MBASH Lacoster, roller coaster. Ooh, you wanna get old? I think, I don't know, but that's the beat. Spitting for Fun by Sonic Boom. It's a beautiful instrumental. I love it. Everything about it. I just don't know what the fuck to do with it. But this is the only thing that I can think of doing it with. It's like a. Ooh, he's sipping. What's in the cup? Oh no, we don't know. Oh my God, he's sipping. It's like it makes you smile, man. This is a good instrumental. Look, this is one of those instrumentals. It's like a roller coaster. It's one of those things that you want to do again and again, but never at the same time. the same way. Yeah. You wanted to do it again and again, but never the same way. So it's the same thing that you're doing repeatedly, but it's not the same way in which you're doing it. You know what I mean? But it's the exact same thing. So it's like there's an itch and you're scratching it. You know, like sometimes you scratch deep, sometimes you scratch light, sometimes you pat. You know what I mean? Yeah. It's a good beat. It's a really fucking good beat. It's one of those, it's the ones that I toss into my freestyle on any day beats. I like that beat. And if you don't like how it sounded on that beat, well, sad. Cause I did, and I had fun. Shit, goddamn, I had loads of that shit. Yeah, am I gonna remember anything? Do I remember right now any punchlines or any lines that I said or anything that I said in that beat as well as progressing? Absolutely fucking not. I don't fucking remember shit. I don't know what the hell I just said on that beat, but I know what I just experienced. It's a freaking moving energy. I love it. It is amazing. It is smooth, laid back, yet still makes you want to push hard. It's like when you're carrying something heavy, yeah? You're walking slow, but there's a lot of effort behind it. I love it. Well, yeah, it's a good beat. So, yeah. But I don't know what to make with it. Like, that's the thing. It's just that it's not a good beat when it comes to making like a song for me personally. So I would love to freestyle on it for like an impromptu thing. Like I'm improvising and shit, but I'm not gonna, like